Alright, so for today we have an unboxing. This model came from Nick's Construction Diecast. He's on Instagram. I believe he has a website too. It's right there, if you can read it upside down. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Get this model unboxed here. I bought this model a couple days ago. Came relatively fast, which is nice. Gonna have to move the box out of the way. Some of you guys may already know what it is. I've been recently adding a lot of truck models to my fleet, so this is kind of a spoiler, something that goes with a truck model. I'm sure it's not too hard to figure out at this point. Here it is, nicely wrapped up. Just gotta figure out how to get it open now. Get this tape off here. There we go. So there's the neck. So it's a Rogers lowboy I picked up from him. There's the neck of the lowboy right there. Then we'll get the lowboy itself opened up. Right here. Not dropping it. So here it is. One of the older Sword lowboys. This is actually a production sample. As you can see right there. It is a sample model right there, so it's not 100% perfect. It has a hole drilled in it as well, but it still works and functional. But just thought I would do an unboxing since it's been quite some time since I've done one. It's just your simple lowboy, neck snaps into place and everything, like that. I've already done a review of the 3-axle, and I have another one I'll be doing a review of here shortly. It's a little bit different than the 3 and 4-axle. That's just about it for this unboxing. So hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sure to some of you this isn't really a surprise that I bought another lowboy. I just have so many trucks and would like to have them all a lowboy. I would like them all to have a lowboy or some type of trailer instead of just sitting as tractors. The only models I probably will not get a lowboy for are my heavy haul Western Star and the C500. That's just about it for this unboxing. So thank you for watching. And if you'd like to follow my social media, both of my links are in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And stay tuned for the next video to be uploaded.